Good evening, aspirants. So, on 7th of September 2025, almost 15,000 members appeared for the examination called FSO, Forest Section Officer, conducted by the APPSC. In that Forest Section Officer question examination, there are few max questions which are very important and at the basic level. So we are going to discuss those questions in this class. Let's start with the first question. And one more note for you guys: the answers are already provided here. I just masked it, so I will reveal when the answer is done. So I'm just going to explain how the answers came over. That's it. Okay. Let's discuss one by one. The first and foremost one, 0.003192225. Find the square root of this number. So first of all, take the number 319225. Find out the simple square root. Square root method. 5 5 is a nearest 5, 25. 6. Bring down the 92. Again, how many times? You need to add 5 more to this and it will become a 10. What number should be provided over here so that it will be close to that number? If you take the 6, 6 are 96, 6 are 36, 636. So yeah, if you subtract that, 12 minus 6, 6, and 8 minus 3, 5. We can bring down the other two numbers also. So it is the 5, 6, the number which comes in after that. So choose the option which has the 5, 6 in that. The last option will be your correct one. Next, 50th question. 9 men earn 1050 in 10 days. How much can 12 men earn in 8 days? Let us discuss this question. So for this question, we need a small logic. Let us discuss. So man is directly proportional to amount and man inversely proportional to time. That means if you take more men, you will need to give more amount of the money. At the same time, if you have a more man, the amount of the time will be reduced for the required work. So for these two equations, we can form m proportional a by t, which further classified as mt proportional to a and mt by a proportional to constant. That means men 9 into 10 amount 1050 rupees is equal to 12 into 8 divided by a. That is the amount. If you find the answer, if you simplify further these fractions, 0 0 will cancel and 9 8 12s are 96 and 96 in 9 and 96 in 3 times, and this will be 32 times. Okay, yeah, so in 3 table 105 will go in how many times? 3 3s are 9 and 5. So yeah, a is equal to 32 into 35, which further will give you 1120. That will be your answer for this question. Look at that. Next, let us discuss this one, the question number 51. It is very easy one. Let us discuss that. So answer is already provided as I said it before. Let us discuss how we got this answer. So there is a formula in the HCF and LCM. The product of the HCF and LCM will be equal to the product of those two numbers. Let us take X and Y. So they gave that the product of the HCF LCM is 10668 and one of the number is 84 and other number we need to find out. If you divide 10668 divided by 84, you will get Y is equal to 127. That's how we got this answer. Let's discuss 52. So it is a statement wise question. We need to find out the correct statement which is given in the above 4 options. The sum of the sum of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. Let us take the triangle. Let us take A, B, C. He was saying the sum of any two sides of a triangle A plus B is less than third side. No, it is wrong. Okay. The sum of any two angles of a triangle is greater than the third side. That's also wrong. Let us talk about the option C. In a triangle, a line is drawn parallel to one side. Let us take a side B. If you draw the line parallel to side or A, anything like this, what it will do? It will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. So that will be the correct one. Why the D is not correct? Because hypotenuse is the shortest side in the right angle. It's absolutely wrong. Okay, that's why it is wrong. So the option is C. The circumference of a circle is C units, then find its area. Let us take circumference C is equal to 2 pi r. So Cy 2 pi is equal to r. So they're asking us to find out the area. Area is equal to pi r square. Pi r value will be C by 2 pi whole square. Pi C square by 4 pi square. Pi will cancel. Our answer will be C square by 4 pi. That's the correct answer. Next, trapezium. So trapezium, it looks like this. Okay, they're saying that the area is 60 square centimeters and one of the parallel sides is 12 centimeters. Let us take that. And the distance between the two parallel sides is 4 centimeters. So they're asking us to find out the other side. Simply, we need to apply the formula half into A plus B into H equal to area of a trapezium. Half into A plus B, the sum of the parallel side, 12 plus B into height will be 4 is equal to A. If you solve this question, the A is also given, that is 60 centimeters. Then you can easily find out the B value as 18. Okay. Next, find the median of the observations which is provided below. So these are the observations. We need to, when you find out the median, we need to write it in either ascending order, descending order. Let's write it in ascending order. 12, 15, 18, 24, 27, 35. Now cancel out the other things just to find out. So we have the two numbers in the middle. So 18 plus 24, 42. 42 divided by 2, which is equal to how much? 21. That's the answer. 56 question. Please pay some attention over here. It is very important question. They're saying that a student obtained a marks percentage in 4 subjects as shown in the following table. In English, he got 45%. Look at that. It's a percentage, not the full marks. 86%, 69%, 70%. Okay. Percentage. Let us take for the 100 marks. Each and every subject 100 marks, they got 45%, 86, 69, 70. Total how many marks they got? If you calculate 45 plus 86 plus 69, calculate fast. Come on. 86, 45, 45 plus 86 plus, come on boys, 69 plus 70. It is equal to 270. Okay. So out of 400, he got 270 marks. In a science, he got 69. That means 69 out of 270 multiplied by 360. If you cancel the 0, 0 in 9 table, 3 times, 4 times, 9 table, 3 times, 4 times. Again, in 3 table, this is 3, 2 times. Sorry, 2, 3 times. Okay, 23 times. So 23 times of the 4 3s are 12, 1, 8, 9. So 92 degrees is the correct answer. So this is the relation between the median, mode, mean. I'll tell you a simple trick to and how to do this type of questions. We know that like the formula of the relation between the mean, median, mode, but how to remember that? Let us take 3 is equal to 1 plus 2. 3 times of the median is the bigger one, I mean in terms of the number of words, is equal to 1 times of the mode and your 2 mean. Remember, you are too mean. So too mean. 3 into median. Median is how much? 34.4. 1 into mode. We don't know the mode. Just leave it like that. Plus 2 into mean. 2 into mean is 34. So 34.4. 34.4 into 3. We'll get 103.2. Minus 2 into 34 will be nothing but 68 is equal to mode. Okay, now 68 minus 103.2 will give you 35.2. That's the answer. Next question. So in a family there are 4 members A, B, C. Okay, in a family there are 4 members A, B, C. So what they're asking, A, B, C, D. A, B, C respectively get 1/3, 1/4, 1/5 of a property. Let us take the property as 100 rupees. And the remaining is given to D. In 100 rupees, 1/3 is given to, 1/3 is nothing but 33 rupees. And 1/4 is nothing but 25 rupees. 1/5 is nothing but 20. If you add all of that, 25 plus 20 plus 33, how much? 20 plus 25, 45. Okay, 45 plus 33, 78. Is it correct? 78. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, 78. So what is the remaining amount? 22. So the least amount is got by the C. Next, 59th question. A is thrice as old as B. Let us take that. A is thrice as old as B. A was 4 times, 4 years ago they're talking about. A minus 4. 4 years ago, A was 4 times as old as B. B minus 4. Okay. So let us talk about, let us substitute the value of the 3B, I mean the A. So 3B minus 4 equal to 4B minus 16. So you can take the 16 to this side, just transpose the numbers, and 3B to this side, same things on same side. So B equal to minus 4 plus 16, which will be equal to 12. So B value we got 12. So if you got the B value 12, that means A value will be how much? 36. Because why? 12 times of the 3 is 36. Okay. So let us talk about the next question. This is very, very important question. Find the sum of 4-digit numbers formed by the 3589 without having repetition. It's a very tricky question actually, if you closely observe this one. There are 4 numbers. Let us take that 4 numbers, 3589. If you closely observe that, these 4 numbers can be arranged in the 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 ways. That means 24 ways we can arrange this number in a 4-digit number. What is the sum of the actual number? This one, the sum of the number will be 25. Okay, how many positions that we can match up? 6 positions. So 6 into 25, total 150. Now let us calculate the sum of all the numbers in each position. 150 into 1000 plus 150 into 100 plus 150 into 10 plus 150 into 1. If you add all of these numbers, you'll get 1,66650. So the answer will be option 4. Next. So this question we can do it 2 ways. Okay. By just substituting the values and finding out through the linear pair of equations. And also we can do it another way. What way? Do you have any other idea? Just by, see, total 38 coins are there. Okay. And 20 paisa coins are there. And 25 paisa coins are also there. The total value of the total amount is, so x plus y equal to 38 and 20 into x plus 25 into y equal to 850 in terms of the paisa. Okay, if you take x value as x is equal to 38 minus y and substitute into this equation, and you can solve this equation into smaller ones also, you'll get x value as 20 and y value is 18. That's a linear pairs equation solving. So this is also easy. It's a reasoning question. You can write a b c d e f g h I j k l m n o p q r s t u v w x y z. So what is the important thing over tiger and grty? T. Where is the T? Over here. T. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. T is 7. The same way G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the same number will match up. Okay. If you do the same thing for the elephant also, you'll get the answer as a 2. Okay. Next, 63. It's also a reasoning question. Look at the figure carefully. So this figure and the zero will the elliptical cycle will moving on the clockwise direction. At the same time, the boxes, I mean the inside the diagram, there is some shapes are there, they're moving on the anti-clockwise direction. So but the figure which is not following the same procedure is the option 3. So the option 3 is correct over here. So this is very important question. It's also a Pythagoras question. North, south, east, west. Okay. From there, he walks 8 kilometers north. Let us take this as 8 kilometers north. From here to here, 8 kilometers north. Then he walks 5 kilometers towards south. Again, he comes back 5 kilometers. Now, this is 5 and this is part of 3. Remember. He walks 2 kilometers east. From here, 2 kilometers east. This is 3. This is 2. East. What is the position of this one from the initial position? 2, 3. The square root of 2 square plus 3 square. 4 plus 9 will be equal to root over 13. Next, if 28th February falls on Friday, then find the date of the first Monday of January of the same year. The answer is 6. If you do it calendar questions clearly. This one is also reasoning question. A is taller than B, C is taller than D. A is taller than B and C is taller than D, but not tall as B. Taller than D, but not tall as B. That means it is lesser than B again. So A greater than B and E is taller than A. E is taller than A. That means E is the first one. E, A, B, C, D. Okay. Who is the shortest one? According to this one, D. Next, this one also reasoning question. Look at this. A is the father of C. A is the father of C. But C is not A's son. That means he might be a daughter. Okay. A is the father of C, but not a son. That means he might be a daughter. No, that's absolute. Obviously. E is the daughter of C. E is the daughter of C. F is the spouse of A. F is the spouse of A. B is the brother of C. B is the brother of C. Brother. D is the son of B. D is the son of B. Okay. Who is the grandfather of E? Grandfather of E is obviously A. Okay. So option A is correct. If you closely observe this flow chart. Next. 68 persons, 66 persons A, B, C, D and F sit around a circular table such that A and F face each other. C and E are right to A. Let us draw the circles. Let us draw 2 circles. A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. Around circular table, A and F face each other. Let us take this one. A, F face each other. C and E are right to A. C and E are right to A. So these positions are C and E. Let us take that. Are right to A. B and D are side by side. B and D are side by side. Let us take B and D are this one. Let us take that because those positions are available side by side. B is left to D. B is left to D. That means we need to make this one as this one. B is left to D. Left to D and right to F. That's the exact position. Find the person immediate to the left of A. Left of A is who? What? D only. Option D. Next, this one is also a very interesting question. Please look at that once. So it's a cubes question actually. So 8 cube plus 2 cube will be equal to 520 and 7 cube plus 6 cube will be equal to 559. In the same manner, 4 cube plus 3 cube will be equal to 91. So every singer is a student, every student is a lyricist. Every singer, this is, let us take, every singer is a lyricist. This is lyricist part. Every student is a lyricist. This is singer. Every singer is a student. Every singer is a student. Okay. Again, every student is a lyricist. If you closely observe that, every singer is a lyricist, that's also correct. Some lyricists are students, that's also correct. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Let us do this question. 2 alarm clocks ring at regular intervals of 72 and 50 seconds. If they beep together at 12 noon, then they beep together again for the first time at what time? So this is a question of LCMs. Let us find out the LCM of 72 and 50. If you find out the LCM of 72 and 50 in two tables, 36 times and 25 times, if you multiply all of this together, you'll get 1800. If you divide 1800 by 60, that means we are changing into the minutes. 0 cancel and 30 minutes. That means they will beep at 12:30 minutes because they're starting at 12, and if you add 30 minutes to that, 12:30 p.m. These are reasoning questions. Harika is intelligent girl. She studied MBIPC at intermediate level. These are the jumbling statements. You need to make it as a correct statement. Answer will be this one if you closely observe that. And this is the important question that I want to discuss with you. If you understand closely, a man divide his total money in such a way that half of it goes to wife. That means 50% goes to wife, and 2/3. That means again among the 50%, the rest of the 50%, in that 50%, 2/3 of the 50% will goes to remaining goes to his 2 sons. That means 33% goes to his 2 sons equally. That means let us take 16.5 and 16.5 closely like that, because it is not exactly 33%, 33.33%. I'm just taking an exact number, not exactly approximate things. And the rest goes to his 4 daughters equally. So what is the rest amount? 17. So if you divide the 4 amount, you'll get 4% for each one. That means a 4% is 18,000. 16%, I'm taking approximate, 16%. What? If you multiply with a 4, you'll get a 72,000. Next, in 5 years, 8,000 amounts. In 5 years, 8,000 amounts to 10,000. That means within 5 years, 2,000 amount is the simple interest. Okay, in what time? At the same rate, the rate of the, if you take the simple interest, PTR by 100, and you know the simple interest 2000, and P value will be 8000, and T value will be 5 or 100. So if you closely observe that, 3 zeros cancel, 200 is equal to 40 into R value will be equal to 5. Okay, the rate of percentage will be 5. So the same rate 2700 will be doubled. That means the total amount will be equal to simple interest plus principal, 2700 plus 2700. That means a doubling of amount, which will be equal to 5400. Okay, So that means simple interest will be 2700. 2700 is equal to 2700 into time will be 5 and the rate will be 5. Sorry, rate will be so at the same rate. How much time? They're talking about the time. So time is not known. Time divided by 100. If you find out the simplify this value, 2007 and 2007 will cancel each other. 20 times t is equal to 20. So in 20 years the amount will be doubled. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for your patience, and thank you very much. If anyone likes it, please subscribe it. Thank you very much.